Ever wished cafe smoothies without bulky blenders or wasted mornings? Today I reveal the top 7 best personal smoothie blenders that save time, space, and energy. Welcome to my channel, your shortcut to smarter choices. Stay till the end, and grab your favorite easily through links in the description below. At number 7 is Ninja Nutri-Blender. What if one small blender could replace your bulky countertop monster? Sounds bold, right? The Ninja Nutri-Blender proves why it earns a solid spot in our top 7 personal smoothie lineup. Many people struggle with weak motors and gritty smoothies. This one fixes that fast. Its punchy power chews through ice, frozen fruit, even greens, smooth, no excuses. That's real relief. I love the blend and go cups. Morning rush? Blend, twist, leave. Compared to quieter but weaker models on this list, Ninja trades a little noise for serious performance. Smart trade-off? I think so. Cleanup is easy, dishwasher friendly, and stress-free. Downside? It's not the smallest option here. But for daily smoothie lovers who want cafe-level texture, it's a confident, safe buy. We only back gear that proves itself in real kitchens. Would you pick power or silence? On number 6 is KOIOS Smoothie Blender. Did you know most compact blenders fail when ice hits the cup? That's where the KOIOS Smoothie Blender surprised me, and earned its place among our top 7 picks. Many buyers fear weak motors or safety issues. KOIOS answers both. Power feels confident. Blends finish fast. Relief kicks in early. Section 1, Performance. That high-speed spin handles frozen fruit better than quieter travel models, though it's slightly less refined than premium names on this list. Still impressive. Curious how it holds up daily? Next, portability and safety. Bigger cups, grab-and-go lids, solid grip. Everything feels secure. That peace of mind matters. Cleanup stays simple, too. Cons? It's not the sleekest design here. But value-wise, it's a smart choice. We back tools that prove themselves in real routines. Great for busy users. Not for ultra-silent seekers. What would you choose, style or strength? At number 5 is Nutribullet Personal Blender. What if the blender that started the smoothie movement still holds its ground today? The Nutribullet Personal Blender answers that confidently. Many people hesitate before buying, worried it'll be complicated, messy, or underpowered. This one removes that stress fast. First, simplicity. Push, twist, blend. No learning curve. Compared to louder, more aggressive options in this top 7 lineup, Nutribullet focuses on smooth, everyday nutrition. Curious if 600 watts is enough? For fruits, greens, and daily shakes, it absolutely is. Next, real-life use. Cleanup is effortless. That feeling of I'll actually use this daily matters. Downsides? It struggles more with hard ice than higher-powered rivals. But for beginners or health-focused users, it's a smart, safe choice. We only suggest gear that earns trust through daily use. Power users may want more muscle, everyone else, this feels just right. At number 4 is Oliboni Heavy Duty Blender. What if your personal blender could power a whole party? That's the shock factor with the Oliboni Heavy Duty Blender, and it's why it stands out in our top 7 lineup. People often fear burning motors, weak blades, or ear-splitting noise. Oliboni tackles all three, hard. First, power. This thing crushes ice like it's nothing. Compared to compact cup-style options on this list, it's a beast. Curious who needs that much strength? Next, capacity and comfort. Big batches. Quieter blending. Real peace of mind when entertaining or meal prepping. Cleanup? Surprisingly simple. That's relief. Cons? It's not for tiny kitchens or single-serve fans. This is for families, fitness users, and power lovers. We only stand behind gear that survives real-world use. If you want small and subtle, skip it. If you want confidence and control, this one delivers. On number 3 is Colarlemo Blender for ice crushing. What if ice stopped being the enemy of compact blenders? That's the surprise with the Colarlemo ice crushing blender, and why it earns attention in our top 7 lineup. Many buyers fear weak blades and overheating motors. This one brings instant relief. First, power. It rips through frozen fruit and ice with confidence. Compared to lighter travel-focused models here, it feels tougher and more controlled. Curious how flexible it is? Next, versatility. Multiple cup sizes mean one smoothie or a full prep session. Everything feels stable, safe, and thoughtfully built. That peace of mind matters. Cleanup stays quick, too, no excuses to skip healthy habits. Cons? It's louder than lower watt options and needs brief cooldowns under heavy loads. Still, for users who crave strength without bulky machines, it's a smart choice. We only stand behind tools that prove themselves daily. Power seekers, this one's for you. At number 2 is GDOR Professional Blender. What if one blender could think for you? That's the bold promise behind the GDOR Professional Blender, and surprisingly, it delivers. Many shoppers hesitate, worried about complicated controls or uneven blends. This one brings instant relief. First, smart programs. One tap, and it adjusts the work for you. Compared to manual-only models in this top 7 lineup, that automation feels like a luxury. Curious how strong it really is? Next, power and flexibility. Frozen fruit? Ice? No problem. The glass jar feels solid and safe, while the single-serve cup adds daily convenience. That balance matters. Downsides? It's heavier than plastic cup competitors and takes more counter space. Still, for families or multitaskers who want control without guesswork, it's a smart investment. We only suggest gear that proves itself in real kitchens. If simplicity plus power is your goal, this one deserves a serious look. Now moving to the last one is Ckemu Kneading Cutter. What if one machine could replace half your countertop appliances? That's the unexpected twist with the Ckemu Kneading Cutter, and why it sneaks into our top 7 discussion. Most buyers worry about clutter, weak motors, or complicated controls. This solves that calmly. First, control. Timed presets and multiple speeds mean no guesswork. Compared to single-task smoothie-focused units on this list, this feels like a command center. Curious how it handles tough jobs? Next, real performance. Dough kneads evenly. Ice crushes confidently. Big batches feel safe and stable. That relief is real. Cleanup stays painless, which keeps routines consistent. Cons? It's not the compact grab-and-go style some prefer. This is for planners, families, and prep lovers. We only back tools that earn their space through daily use and comfort testing. If versatility brings peace of mind, this is a smart, confident buy. The winner, Ninja Nutri-Blender. If you want the safest, smartest buy, this is it. It delivers powerful, consistent blends without the bulk or complexity of heavy-duty machines. Ice, frozen fruit, and greens come out smooth every time. It's fast, durable, and genuinely easy to use. Cleanup takes seconds, not motivation. Compared to others, it balances power, size, and reliability best. No learning curve. No overkill. Just daily confidence, peace of mind, and results you'll actually enjoy using every morning. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best personal smoothie blender. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.